We do have here the XG27U CDMG and MSI MPG32U RXW. The panel of 27 inches size is 4th gen versus 3rd generation. We call this one Penta Tandem OLED. It's brighter on the left. It's glowing on the left. Brighter on the left. So that's all, guys. On the left is the XG is more brighter, the 27 inches size. Maybe because that is fourth generation, the latest generation. If you ask me which should I choose from this, I will choose the 32 inches size, guys, because I like the 32 inches.